Hello everyone, I'm Darshan B from MEI Polytechnic in Computer Science, and for the final year we wanted to learn about cybersecurity, so we were searching for a company which provides us the internship and opportunity in cybersecurity courses. Razz Security gives us the opportunity not only work environment, it also provided us the skills which we wanted to learn in the company. And they also taught us about discipline and teamwork in a project. Academy also offered an opportunity to learn about ethical hacking and to protect the systems and learn about hacking, how to protect our devices from hacking, and many more things about cybersecurity. And aside of cybersecurity, they also taught us about Git, designing, content creating, website development, and many more. And even they taught us how to work as a team. They gave us a separate project to do as a team, and we did that within the time that was provided to us. And I want to thank Razzsecurity and team for giving this opportunity and this work experience. So thank you.